Hey, good morning everybody. Welcome back to the Old Farts Garage. Today is going to be a really busy day. I'm going to go ahead and be pulling dents today. I got one on top of the cab. We got a couple on each corner of the hood, one in the back of the cab. And so yesterday I got it all prepped, ready to go. Sanded it down to bare metal to where I need to pull all the dents at and everything, marked them. I got a really nasty one where the gas cap goes on the corner of the cab, and because it's more like a crease, so hopefully we can go ahead and get it out of there and everything. But before we get started, I want to go ahead and thank everybody who has subscribed. I'm up to 230 plus subscribers. Thank you, appreciate that. I would have never thought it would have went this far. Like I said, I was just doing it just to have something to do and to archive my truck restoration, and I appreciate it, and I hope that you might see something that might be a good idea for your restoration, or just something better to watch on TV than regular media and news and stuff like that. I see I kind of like watching YouTube better than I do regular TV, I have to say. But anyways, like I said, thanks everybody who subscribed, and luckily I don't have hundreds of comments to have to read, so, every day. So I can't easily, respond to the comments and stuff, but that's okay. And if I don't, it's not because I don't want to. I probably don't have the time, or I'm busy on something else. So, but anyhow, back to the truck. Today I'm going to probably be pulling dents, and to do that, I'm going to show you what I got. It's kind of like a Pull Dents Day tool review thing. So, anyways, but first let me go ahead and take the camera, go outside, show you what I'm going to be doing, to give you an idea, and then we'll get to the tool review. All right? Cool. Okay, so let's go ahead and come on out here. First, I'm going to show you what we got going on the corners of the cab. As you can see, there's some pretty nasty dents there. Got them marked off, sanded down. Okay, got one right there. Okay, then we'll come over here to the other side. And here's what we got going on this side. And then here, we got just a crease, a straight line crease. Here we got a couple dents. And what's funny is whoever had the vehicle, I don't know who before me, I don't know how many owners it was and stuff, but they didn't even bother to pull the dents out. They just went ahead and filled it with Bondo. So on both corners there was like an inch of Bondo. And then the worst one actually is right here on the gas cap area. Okay, I hope you can see this. Okay, but see right here, this is one solid crease right there, and then it's like pushed in right here. And this one should be easy to pull out, but this crease here, I don't know. I'm going to try to pull out as much as I can, and then just, unfortunately, I guess I'm going to just have to fill it. I went ahead and did a second filling, sanded it down, put some more filler on the corners there to smooth those out. Okay, let's go back on this side. Okay, again, got the corners taken care of. Got to sand that down. Okay, and then up here, we have this one here. It goes from here to there, and then you got that lip, and then you got this dent right here. So I got to pull all this out, pop it out as best I can, and we'll be good to go. Oh yeah, and then in the back here, you got this little one right here. So anyways, that's what we're going to be doing today. And as you can see, getting ready for some, final touches. Had to patch up some cancer here. Okay, I don't know if you can see that very good, but anyways, I went ahead and filled it in with some kitty hair, up here too. So I got to sand those down, clean them up. I still got to address these corners where there's rust. When I couldn't get there with the sander or nothing, but I'll just have to scrape it and then spray it or do something. But anyways, that's what we're doing today. All right, and that's the update on the 63. All right, as you can, let me show you. See right here, there's still a little bit of Bondo because I didn't want to get too close to the light bevel, which I got to take off. But excuse me. Anyway, like I said, we're going to go ahead and address those issues today, and let me show you what we got to use. So anyhow, what we're going to be doing is, oh man, we're going to be using this stud welder. This here's the H&S starter kit plus 4550. Okay, it comes with the stud welder, a box of studs, and a stud puller. Okay, it's like one of those slide hammer type things. And I'm going to set this down because it's heavy. But anyways, we're going to see if this works for me. Hopefully it does. And here, let me show you again. Pull this off of here. Okay. All right. So it's the H&S Autoshot stud puller. There's a starter kit. All right, and it's got the slide hammer. It's got the welder, a box of studs. I bought an extra box too, though, because you can never have enough studs in there, just in case I screw them up. Okay, and it says it's for the progressive body man. Okay, so I used one of these in school when I was taking auto body, and I don't know if that was the same brand or not. It's the ideal starter for stud welding kit. But anyway, I used one of these in school when I was taking auto body, and for the dents that we're going to be pulling out, okay, it seems much more easier to use this, because there's no way you're going to get in there with a hammer and stuff. And you know what? If it works, it works. If not, we'll just have to do the best we can. Maybe drill the holes and pull them out with the dent puller. I got that too, which I had to use for my tailgate. And I wish I would have got this before. But anyhow, I'm going to, like I said, if this doesn't work for it, and if this is not a good product and it doesn't want to work, we'll just take our loss and go back to the old traditional way and drill some holes and pull them out like that. You know, because those are spots where you can't, like I said, you can't get in behind it with a hammer and dolly, so you got to do what you got to do. Anyways, let's go ahead and get to the review. All right, okay. So, anyways, again, this is a starter kit stud welder. All right, and I hope I got a good angle, or hope you guys can see this. Like I said, I got everything I got to do. I got to do it on a tripod because I don't have a photographer following me or somebody to, to hold the camera for me. So let's go ahead and open this up. Get through all my hanging tools here. Anyways, okay. So first of all, you get a operating instructions. Okay, and it gives you a whole bunch of instructions on how to go ahead and use it. And then over here on this side, it's got a little parts and accessories, so if you want to order some stuff, to help it, much better. Okay, you got your manufacturer's warranty. All right, and then you got an actual operator's manual. All right, the box is pretty good. I mean, it's well packaged. Got top cover. Okay, let's take that off. Here we got our equipment. First of all, we'll go ahead and check out these studs here. Okay, they're 2.2 millimeter regular pulling. They're 500 pounds fusion strength, 1,500 pounds tensile strength. Okay, as long as it pulls it, you know, there's 500 of them in here. As long as it pulls the dents out of my truck, I'm good to go. So anyways, that's these here. Okay, I hope the camera's focusing. Before we get to the machine, let's pull out this T-bar. Pull. All right, holy moly, this thing's heavy. All right, then you got the threaded, so you can put your stud through there, tighten it down, and start yanking on it. You know, looks like cast iron or steel. All right, but anyways, it's pretty good little heavy duty equipment. All right, and then the stud welder, okay, wrapped in plastic. The Unispotter, all right. You can see that. Take this off here. It's got the tip taped. Everything seems to be well packaged. And the tape just got stuck in there. Anyway, you know, this is where the stud goes. And I'm sure you guys, you know, all know. Go. Reset button there. Your weld button there. Okay. Little UL ratings and stuff, they got to be on there. And it looks like about a 6-foot cord. Yeah. So it's very well constructed. It's a metal case. It says 1 second per cycle. Not bad, not bad. So anyways, that's what we got. Okay. Get rid of this box now that we got it unwrapped. So this is what we're going to be using today to go ahead and pull my dents out. Okay, so now that we've seen it, you know, and we've done the unboxing, because it's not a review yet, we still haven't used it, I say we go ahead and get ourselves set up. Let me go ahead and do all that, put you guys on pause, and then we'll go ahead and get back to when I'm ready to go. And we'll go ahead and see if we can pull a couple dents. All right? Okay. I hope I got myself all situated. But we're going to go ahead and just work on something simple just for the video of it. So anyway, go ahead and put that bad boy in there. All right. Now, instead of just putting it right in the middle and trying to pull the whole thing out like that, I'm going to go ahead and start on top, kind of like where it starts. Okay. There you have it. Nice and strong. Okay. Go ahead and put our puller on there. Let's see. Tighten it down. Tighten it down a little bit more. Oh, looks like it is pulling it out. Good deal. Wow, that did pull some out of it out. Okay. Let's go ahead and about right there. Oh yeah, man. Oh yeah, I like that. Do another one. Skip. Okay. Again, nice and strong. Get this bad boy in there. Wow, that was working great. You want to work your way. I'm sure you guys know what you're doing already, but for the ones that don't, like me, that just learned, start on the either on the bottom or top. On the don't ever start in the middle, and just work your way down. Okay, don't try to pull it all from just one spot. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that's my video for today. I got all the dents pulled out, and I tell you what, this little H&S starter kit, it totally paid for itself today. Okay, and that's my opinion. For me, for the job that I did, for the job that I needed it for what it did, and how it helped me out to get those dents out of there, it totally paid for itself. Okay, I'll go ahead and share the link for this in the description, and that's, like I said, it did its job. Okay, and I'm glad I got it. How long it's going to last me, I don't know. I don't care. It did, like I said, it did what it was going to do. I hope it lasts me for a long time, because I sure could use it, for other things. Maybe somebody else in the family would like their, a dent pulled out or something, and I don't know. Anyways, I'm just rambling on. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Again, thanks for following me. Thank you for the subscriptions. All you who have subscribed, hit the like, if you would like. And leave me a comment. Tell me what you think about what you saw. And until next time, y'all have a good day, and God bless.